welcome back to my channel. Today I got two things from Five Below, and these two things are going viral. So I went to Five Below. All of them, two were from Five Below. So I got these sugar cubes. They were like tons. They were. I'm not telling the location because I don't want to reveal. But this is the sugar cube. It is trapped in a net. There were so many squishies. And I don't know what day it is. It's August 14th. And I got a hacky sack. This is a mini hacky sack. It's called a kick bag, and that says kick it, juggle it, and play it. And this is for Game On. Say what? It was made in Shandong, China. Guys, correct me if I'm doing it right, if I'm saying it right. Shandong, China. Ooh, it's like a needle. Oh, that was satisfying. Don't mind that my tongue is blue. That's so good. Ooh, neato. Kind of smells like the needle. It smells like spray paint. No, I'm gonna die. I'm finna die. But this is like the gumdrop. Like Neato X gumdrop. Gumdrop, I mean. It is sugar, swaps, ice cube, squish it, squeeze, squish it, and trade. I'm not gonna trade it. Oh my gosh. Guys, a squishy net literally popped inside of Five Below. Like a squishy net literally popped. It was like right open, all of the goo went out. Went out on the bed. There were so many tablet squishies. Yes, I did see Llama's Life merch, but I did not get any. This was the best. I love it. I love it. Guys, there's cotton. Don't mind that. There's cotton inside of it. Guys, I know what the hacky sacks have inside of it. They have black beads. Pause. Guys, I repeat, I'm not racist. I'm not. Porque llega el baile más grande del verano. Llega como en el Rancho Fest 16x16. I think I just expanded it. Okay, maybe I have to use it with my pinky. Yeah. Guys, I went to the Cat's Eye movie. It was so good. I had heard it when I was like, every time when I did this at night, it hurts. And like, it's so hard to get off.